Look at this. It's raining. There's like snow everywhere. I'm in Fusen. Totally lost, but I kind of got an idea where I'm going. Could take a taxi to take me to the hotel. Hopefully they're still up. But yeah, do I look like the kind of guy that would take a taxi when I could just be lost for, you know, an extra 30 minutes? Because I'm too cheap to pay €8. That's pretty much me. No taxi. I'll find it. Well, I made it to my hotel. I'm in Fusen, right next to Castle Neuschwanstein. This was a crazy one. I got off the train, and there's not even a covered platform. It's just like a bunch of cement. They call it a train stop, and no real station. I mean, it's crazy. So small. And I spent like a half hour walking up and down streets. You know, I took a picture of the map at the train station so I kind of have an idea, but that was so tough. And then but just these snow-covered streets. I'm freezing. The signs are not marked well. I'm totally lost. And but I'm kind of getting an idea. And it's just, oh, wow. But I finally found the place, and it was all dark. But I rang the bell, and there was actually a note and key waiting for me. But I tell you, you know, it's like, as miserable it was getting here, it feels so good now. Because it's one of those things, the harder you work for something, the more you appreciate it. And I appreciate this now. So I'm going to get a shower and a good night's sleep. Good morning. Well, it's Friday morning. I just had my breakfast, and it was, you know what? Why don't I go ahead and shower first? I would think this is a little more presentable, and I feel, yeah. I'll be back. Okay, it's the next morning. I showered. I had a good breakfast. Some of the better breakfasts I've eaten have been like hotels and stuff, and of course my friend's house. But it is good to eat. I ran out of food. I actually was worried a few days ago about the weight coming back, what I was bringing in my bags, because I had some chocolate and candy and stuff. And that's slowly becoming less and less of an issue now. The weight just keeps lightening. I mean, that's it. I'm out of food. I've eaten everything I brought with me. That was days ago, so I have nothing left but some of the stuff I was going to bring home and share with people. I'm sorry, but I have to eat. I have to stay alive, so it kind of, I don't know. But I did have a good breakfast. Yeah, I do have a cold now. It's not great, but I'll survive. Today is the castle, Neuschwanstein, and tonight, I don't know. I was thinking I'll go to Salzburg, go to Salzburg Cathedral. Maybe I can make it up to Rothenburg, but it's hard. I got to plan it out in about 30 minutes before I check out. I mean, because then I'm offline, I have no internet access. So what am I doing? I'm just kind of sitting here making videos. But I had to let people know what was going on, in case anyone was watching. Probably not. What else? That's about it. It's been good. But yeah, last night was another crazy one, but at least I had a reservation. Always have a reservation. Otherwise, don't show up somewhere at midnight like I did in Switzerland. Not good. Not good. So, alright, let's go see the castle. The castle.